clump of soap molecules encircles a dirt particle. It is called a micelle.
In micelles, the carboxylate groups form a negatively charged spherical surface with the hydrocarbon chains inside the sphere. Because they are negatively charged, soap molecules, micelles, repel each other and remain dispersed in water. When soap and soiling oils are mixed, the nonpolar hydrocarbon portion of the micelles break up. The nonpolar oil molecules, a different type of micelle, then forms with nonpolar soiling molecules in the center. Thus, grease and oil and the dirt attached to them are caught inside the micelle and are rinsed away.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to make cupcakes.
Alright, so that didn't go as planned. Muscle mass over here had an accident. Take 2.
Today,
The better method.
This is the better method. See, you take a scissors and you cut across instead of like. So we're just going to carefully dump that in. In this mix contains sugar. And the chemical term of sugar refers to all the carbohydrates of the general formula CN parentheses H2O parentheses N. Sucrose is a disaccharide or double sugar being composed of one molecule of glucose linked to one molecule of fructose. But because they build structure, proteins and starches can potentially make baked goods tough too. In this case, they're just going to take enough of the starches out to make it the exact consistency that we are looking for. That's the sugar.
So, we had to resort to yellow instead of chocolate, so I apologize to the class that this is not going to be as taste as good. Okay, this cake mix contains corn syrup along with many other ingredients, but this is the Lewis dot structure of corn syrup.
Quantitative analysis is the measurement of the quantities of particular constituents in a substance. The definition of qualitative analysis is the identification of the constituents, elements, or functional groups present in a substance. For our water and vegetable oil, we used quantitative analysis, so we measured specifically how much was going in.
This is the Lewis dot structure of water. Included in here is eggs, water, the mix, and vegetable oil. Eggs have a pH of about 6.4 to 6.9 during storage. Water has a pH of 6.5 to 8.5. Vegetable oil does not have a pH because it does not contain any water.
Metal alloys are metals that have been mixed with other elements to take on new properties. They are typically stronger and more durable. This is an aluminum pan made of aluminum alloys. Aluminum alloys are commonly made of boron, copper, lithium, magnesium, manganese, silicon, tin, and zinc. They usually mix with 1 or 2 of these things. It depends on what you're trying to do. It can make it stronger, more durable, and resistant to heat. This will conduct heat in order to cook the batter.
Ready? Conduction occurs when two objects of two different temperatures come into contact with each other. Heat flows from the warmer object into the cooler object until the cooler object is cooked. Conduction is the movement of heat through a substance by the collision of molecules. When we put the cupcakes into the oven in the batter form, the warmth of the oven will travel through the cupcakes until the cupcakes are fully cooked.
To make our frosting, we used qualitative analysis to put a certain amount of whipping cream in. We used judgment on how much we wanted, and then we also used qualitative analysis to add the powdered sugar to get the consistency and taste that we wanted. And this is the finished product. Thank you for watching.
You're welcome.